So the next one I want to talk about is notes. Notes is literally paper, a promissory note. So think of it exactly what the name says, a promise. Promissory note is when a person borrows money and promise to pay someone else back. For investors that want to get money coming in, but they don't want to deal with the headaches of tenants. So you can lend money. The actual buyer or investor that you lend it to will pay you a monthly fee. There's ways, and we're going to get into it, and you're going to be really excited. You can become a lender without even having your own money. And I know you hear it all the time, but it really does happen. You just need to know how to put it together. And I'm going to show you how to put it together.